Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create sales distribution chart using Python in Excel. Okay, first of all, we will open Excel. This is a blank Excel. Now I will take data from CSV. So I have some Blinkit data set. So this I will import. I will not load the data into this Excel. Just I'll create only connection. First I'll go to transform. I have one small query in this that has to be corrected. So all these data types are correct only, but this rating is incorrect. This is actually a decimal value. So I'll convert into decimal number and I'll replace the step. Then I'll choose close and load to. In this I'll create only connection. Okay, so that the data will not get loaded to this Excel. It will create only connection. So as you see, there is no data in the Excel. Now I will use Python in Excel to create that external database to a data frame equal to py. In this I will use df equal to Excel. In this I will take that Blinkit data and headers equal to true. Okay, and I'll do control enter. So if you see now, okay, sorry, here it is okay. So now we got data frame. Just you can check the data frame by clicking on this one. So this is the data frame which we imported from external source. Here I will see the properties of this data frame. Print df.info. So if you see the properties of this data frame, then we have these columns. Okay, and we have the data type also. So last one we are converted into float. So now you can see it is float number. Okay, so we don't have to do anything with this. Just we need to show this item wise sales, that also in a distribution way. Means we have to extract grand total of some percentage of grand total of each item type. Okay, that one I will do it here. So here I will create one more table which is sales. Let's call as overall sales. Overall sales equal to df.groupby. So in this, with what we'll group by? We'll group by with item type, and we will take sales as value and we will submit. Okay, so here we have created overall sales. Okay, now we will create percentage of grand total, which will also call it as distribution of sales at item type level. Okay, now we will see sales GT, which is grand total. What we will do is this overall sales is there, right? Overall sales divided by overall sales dot sum it with overall sales, and we will multiply it with 100. So this will give the percentage of grand total at item level. If you want, you can see, like I'll print this sales GT. So if you see this one, it will say group by. Okay, so if you see, we have got the percentages of each one, right? So this is not in a descending order. Actually, we need this one in descending order. So what we will do is we will put bracket dot sort underscore values ascending equal to this. So we are not doing in ascending, we are doing descending. So now if you see, we have got the values in descending. Okay, so this is not our aim. We just need to create a bar diagram, the horizontal bar diagram. Okay, we will see create bar graph which is horizontal, plt.barh, this bar graph horizontal. In this we will give sales, we will take index as y column and sales gt dot values as x column. Okay, now we will see, just we select this one and click on display plot over sales. So if you see, we have got this one. We will do is we will make true. Yeah, now we got the values in correct order. That means highest one will be in the top and lowest one will be in the bottom. Okay, this is fine. Now we need this x label and x title and y title. So we will give plt dot x label. So in x axis we have percentage of sales. In plt dot y label we have item type. So if you see, now we have got this item type and percentage of sales, and now we need title also. Just hit title. So distribution of sales at item So if you see, we have got the sales distribution title also. Now we need data labels. So data labels is bit difficult. So what we can do is we'll give bar label lbl equal to same thing we will give here. We'll just copy paste and do it here. We have plt.barh label. Okay, in that we will give this bar label. Okay, that variable we will give and we will print and see what happened here. We got the values, but these are not in the properly formatted. Okay, so inside this we will do labels equal to, so what we can do is we can just format this to percentage for x in sales gt dot values. Hope you will be aware of this loops. So we have got this percentage as well. Now it is showing 1482.29. Actually we have divided this x to 100, then we will get the values correctly, which is 14.82 percentage. Okay, this we have got correct, but this is going outside the limit. Okay, so what we can do is give plt dot, which is x limit from 0 to, we'll take max of sales gt dot values plus 3 somewhere, plus 3. Yeah, we'll give like this. Okay, now it is going till 16 or 17. Now it is properly fit to the plot. Okay, this is how we create a distribution of sales at item level using Excel Python. So I hope you like the video and you found it very useful. If you found it very useful, then just hit the like button and subscribe our channel.